Hello and welcome to another Making Meaning lesson. This week we are going to be reading Butterflies by Miss Teresa Wimmer. But first, some vocab. This word is fragile. Fragile. Fragile means it's easily broken or destroyed. These glass figurines are fragile. Next one is sip. Sip. Sip means to drink something slowly and drink a small amount. This boy is taking a sip of what looks like hot cocoa. Next is picky. Picky. Picky means hard to please. This girl is being a picky eater because she clearly does not want to eat what her mom is giving her. So she is being picky. And the last one is attract. Attract means to get the attention of people or animals in this case and get them to come closer to you. This man is attracting birds by throwing crumbs out for them. All right, so this week we are continuing our insect theme, and we have 5 discussion questions, which I will stop throughout the book, and I will also post on Schoology for you to answer. All right, but this week we are reading about butterflies. I just wanted to call out that this book today is a nonfiction book. I can tell because we're going to have some text features such as, oh gosh, I lost it, a table of contents, which tells me already this is a nonfiction. All right. Coats of colors. Look outside in the spring and summer. You might see a butterfly flying around. Butterflies are pretty insects. They have 2 wings on each side of their body. Butterfly wings may come in many colors. Some butterflies have blue, red, or yellow wings. Others have green or brown wings. I'm going to zoom in so you can see that the word insects is bold print. So I'm guessing at the back there will be a glossary. Butterflies have 2 eyes. Their eyes help them watch out for enemies such as birds, spiders, and other insects. Butterflies do not have a nose. Instead, they have 2 antennae on top of their head. Butterflies use their antennae to smell and find food. Their antennae help them feel things too. When butterflies fly, their antennae help them feel the wind. And again, antenna is in bold print. And here's a caption. Butterflies have hair on their feet. The hairs help them taste flowers and find food. And it says a close-up view of a butterfly. And we have come to our first stopping point. So my first question is, I'm going to read that part again. I want you to close your eyes, but I want you to think about a mental image. So I'm going to read this first portion again. I want you to close your eyes and listen to my reading. I'm going to ask you, what are you seeing when I'm reading it? All right, so I'm going to start again. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Make sure they are closed. Coats of colors. Look outside in the spring and summer. You might see a butterfly flying around. Butterflies are pretty insects. They have wings on each side of their body. Butterfly wings come in many colors. Some butterflies have blue, red, or yellow wings. Others have green or brown wings. Butterflies have 2 eyes. Their eyes help them watch out for enemies such as birds, spiders, and other insects. Butterflies do not have a nose. Instead, they have 2 antennae on the top of their head. Butterflies use their antennae to smell and find their food. Their antennae help them feel things too. When butterflies fly, their antennae help them feel the wind. Butterflies have hair on their feet. Their hairs help them taste flowers and find food. All right, you can open your eyes because I'm going to ask you our first discussion question. What did your mental image look like? What did you see in your head? And what words from the book helped you visualize that? What words helped you create that mental image, and describe what your mental image was? So you can answer me now, or you can answer me on Schoology. I'm going to keep going. A big world. Butterflies live in most places on Earth. Some live in woods or fields. Others live on mountains. Some butterflies live in hot, dry places called deserts. Most butterflies fly alone during the day. When it rains, they take cover in trees, bushes, or tall weeds. At night, some butterflies gather in small groups. They sleep in grass or under leaves. And the caption for this picture said, "Butterfly wings are very thin. When butterflies get older, pieces of their wings break off." And the caption for this picture says, resting butterflies hold their wings up. Most butterflies do not like cold weather. During the winter, some butterflies migrate to stay warm. Monarch butterflies fly to trees far away from their homes. They find the same trees every year. From caterpillar to butterfly. A butterfly does not have wings when it is born. It starts out as a caterpillar. Caterpillars look like worms with many legs. They are green or brown. Some caterpillars are some caterpillars are furry, others are smooth. And here is the picture, and the caption says, "A group of migrating monarch butterflies." And migrate, oh gosh, hope the sun's not on your way. Migrate is one of our bold print words for this page. A caterpillar eats a lot of leaves. It grows bigger and bigger. After a few weeks, the caterpillar crawls out onto a leaf. It hangs upside down from the leaf. Then it spins a hard shell around its body. This hard shell is called a chrysalis, and they have a pronunciation guide, which is another text feature. It's called a chrysalis. Inside the chrysalis, the caterpillar turns into a butterfly. The butterfly does not grow any bigger. And there is our picture, and the caption for this says, "A chrysalis hanging from a branch." All right, second stopping point. So my next question is, what did you learn about butterfly habitats? So what did you learn about butterfly habitat? And we know that a habitat is where something lives. So what did you learn about a butterfly habitat? You can answer me now, or you can answer me on Schoology. Keep going. Butterflies and flowers. Butterflies get their food from flowers. Flowers make nectar in their stems, and nectar is a bold print word. Flowers make nectar in their stems. Butterflies sip the nectar. Their mouth is shaped like a straw. They suck the nectar through the straw. When butterflies land on flowers, pollen sticks to their feet, and pollen is bold print. Pollen sticks to their feet. They carry the pollen from flower to flower. The pollen helps the flowers grow. And the caption says, "Caterpillars are picky eaters. They will eat only certain kinds of plants." A butterfly sipping nectar from a flower. When you're out buying plants, some of you might see signs that say, "Oh, this plant attracts butterflies." Oh, this is just a picture. And the caption says, "Butterflies and flowers need each other." Some people plant butterfly gardens. These gardens are full of flowers that butterflies like. People plant pink, yellow, red, and purple flowers in butterfly gardens. Then they watch the butterflies fly from flower to flower. A butterfly cannot fly if it is cold. It has to stand in the sun to warm up. Butterflies like bright colored flowers. And this is how to make a caterpillar home. I will put this up into Schoology. Aha! Words to know. Here is our small glossary. Antenna, which says long rods used by butterflies for smelling and feeling. Insects, small animals that have 6 legs. Migrate means to move from one place to another, usually to find warmth or food. Nectar, a sweet juice that flowers make, and pollen is a yellow powder that flowers make. All right, here are our last 3 discussion questions. Number 3 is what did you already know about butterfly? So tell me, what is one thing that you already knew about butterflies before I read you this story? Number 4 is what is something new that you learned about butterflies from this book? And the last one, what are you still wondering about butterflies? So you can answer me now or you can answer me on Schoology. Thanks for watching.